Let's talk about the LIS, line in the sand. It's the most important level inside of Level Beast. The LIS is short for line in the sand, and this is a proprietary level unique to our platform. It's the guiding post that tells you exactly where Wall Street is positioned. Now, what is the LIS? Well, the LIS isn't just one metric. It's derived from over 30 key metrics that move markets, things like volume, dark pool orders, geopolitical news, sentiment, currency flows, bond activity, and everything related to how dealers and Wall Street hedgers are positioned. Dozens more metrics are pulled into the LIS. When all the data comes together, it gives us a single level that matters the most, and it's called the LIS. Think of it this way. If you were to think about the point of control on the volume profile, let's take a look at that now. Here's an example on ES futures. This is our proprietary volume profile. There's buy-sell volume on the right to let us know who's in control, or what the historical control would be as well. Those two are combined, and then the combined volume is on the left. We also have a proprietary area here in the middle called the volume magnet. We'll discuss that later. That's beyond the scope of this training. But this is the most important element in our volume profile, and it's available to our subscribers. If you were to look at this volume profile, like any volume profile, you'll see a red line, the point of control. This is indicative of the highest concentration of volume on the time frame that you're watching. Right now, we're on the 15-minute. If we were to go down to the 5-minute, you would see that the point of control would adjust. You can see it up here. Well, you'll also notice that almost never will the volume profile, POC, align with the LIS. The volume profile shows you where the largest orders are, but the LIS is vastly different. The LIS shows us where Wall Street is hedging, where they're defending. So if we go back up to the 15-minute, we can see why the POC is way down here. But this is where Wall Street is defending. And that is what we care about. Why? Because it's where flipping, pressure from trades, or volume pressure will happen. That allows us to avoid traps and catch the real moves. This is why you'll notice that the LIS and the POC almost never line up. The LIS represents the breakpoint. Here's how we use it. Here's the rule. Above the LIS, we go long. We see the shift in volume. We know where the market is starting. We wait for the hold. And we're in calls. It's a bullish setup. Below the LIS, we go short. It's a bearish setup. Oftentimes, we will wait until the break and rejection for the continuation. Knowing where the market will open and knowing which direction the market is going to go within the first couple of minutes to the first 30 minutes is invaluable. No one is able to predict that but the LIS. That's it. Above equals long. Below equals short. Simple, but incredibly powerful. And when price pulls back towards the LIS, like it did this morning, it often acts like a magnet. It pulls price into it. Other times, it acts as a trampoline. Either way, you can take the move to it and off of it all. Day, long. It's like a launch pad for sharp reversals. That's why we call it the line in the sand. It's where the market decides. Are we going higher or are we going to break lower? Here's why it matters. When you're trading, the LIS can be the difference between a perfect entry lined up with institutional flow or being caught in a fake-out trap. This is why it's front and center on your Level Beast screen at all times. We also provide the LIS for the futures as well as for the S and P. It's key to aligning your trades with the biggest players in the market. In closing, in our training, we break down 4 major setups that happen around the LIS. Even without knowing them yet, remember this. The LIS is your guidepost. Above it, you favor longs. Below it, you favor shorts. You want to wait for volume to shift off the LIS, and that's how you can predict and get near-perfect entries. This is how you stay on the same side as Wall Street.